Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and as you can see it on my screen, we're playing Real Racing 3 today. I will introduce you this game. It's the time to burn some rubber in a wide range of meticulously recreated cars on an impressive lineup of real tracks from around the globe, which is Real Racing 3 features cars from Ferrari, Lamborghini, Aston Martin, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and others. You'll also get to test your skills behind the wheel on tracks like Silverstone, Hockenheimring, and Le Mans. So with countless events to enter, cross-platform multiplayer, and lots of customizations options, this is one of the best racing games around. And the realistic graphics are impressive, as you can even see from now. But there are also ads and nudges towards in-app purchases. You should keep that in mind. So let's get to it. As you can see, we're welcomed, and let's see actually how. I don't really know how to play this game, but let's tap to continue. It's saying, but I'm using my computer, but I don't know how this is gonna be. I don't think if it's gonna be okay. I can use my navigate bars, keys here. Okay. Alright. Now what? Okay, great. Now tilt to right. Tap the icon top right. To change the camera like this. I think is the best way, like this. Okay, let's go. Let's play around. Okay. Oh, I don't want to crash. And I keep crashing. It's a hard game. It's fun and all that, but I'm out of the track. Oh. We can actually stop the game too, but I just want to keep playing because you just want to. I just don't want to die yet. I know I cannot finish as the first person right now. Yes. Oh, you're now entering the biggest racing competition on the planet, but I actually don't feel that ready because you just seen how bad I was. But let's go. We're gonna race anywhere, anytime, and against everyone, as it seems. And this one is real racing, they're saying. So I think it was nice. Right now I have to download an additional 227 megabytes to continue. Let me exit for now. So I'm gonna get back in the game and play the same place. And just hold up a minute. I have decided to actually download because so I can show you guys way more. And I have also learned that actually how to use the keys. If I use right and left, it's just like it's tilting to right or tilting to left. But when I press the down button, it's brake. But when I press the up button, it's actually what it's doing is changing the camera. That's why it was keep coming back and on. So sorry for that. I'm also learning with you guys and trying to teach you at the same time. So I think it looks very cool for now. And imagine you're able to play this from your phone, which is making it extra fun, because even in computer right now I'm playing in my computer, but if you're using your phone, let me show you, it's just easier to do this rather than using navigating bars, if you ask me. At least this is my idea about it. So let's wait a little bit more. But I believe it's nice for now. At least I'm not exactly a gamer, in this point in my life, because I don't really have the time to play games, and maybe I'm really not that good with them. That's also another option, another reason for that. But this game might be interesting. Also, I have other game videos if you would like to check out, and I had some mysteries that I couldn't pass, I couldn't solve. Please help me solve them also. So let's see. This game seemed interesting. We have, okay, just in a minute it will download. I always wanted to become a gamer in some type of way, but I don't know. I guess I have the interest, but I'm not sure if I have the skills. That's kind of what's keeping me away from the games like that. All right, almost there. We're almost about. Yes. Download it. Now all we have to do is going to be tap to continue, I believe. So yes, I'm back. So as you can see, it was the game that we played. It was like an intro to the game, and now they're asking if we're, yes, I'm confirming. Okay, let's see what's going to come next. Yes, now we really see it was just an intro. So this is the main way, I guess. This is the main page. We have our money here. We have our store if you want to buy things. And let's go to settings and see what we have. I guess from here we're getting some document information. Let's go to So this is actually teaching you how you can play in your phone. So you can actually check down from here, and you can calibrate your device, and you can change your steering sensitivity from here. And then what you're gonna do is say okay after you're learning all of them. I'm gonna say okay, and let's see what this driver assist. We're customizing our driving experience. We can steering assist is high, traction control is on. It should be, because you just saw how I was playing. I wasn't really good. Brake assist actually should be high. Yeah, it should work good when I get there. So let's see, what is this? Heads up play. All right, and from here you can actually, TSM is on, but actually I found it a little bit distracting, so I'm gonna go with off. Even the avatars, race information should be on. Auto contrast, yes, I think it's making it easier, and I'm gonna go with this. We can go to map settings. We can make it red, black. I'm gonna go with black because I think it's a bit far. Near is better. Map capacity, opacity, yes, but it shouldn't be very dark because it's also distracting us. So camera settings, you can bumper cam is low or high. Camera shake, I think it should be off. I mean, it's more real if it's on, but it's kind of distracted me, at least that's what I want to say. So as you can see here, you can do everything from here. And this one, I believe this is backup to cloud. You can restore to device. So let's go click here, and let's see, what do we have here. You can choose your fax volume, music volume, allow notifications or not. You can download all assets. The way I didn't, that's why I needed to do some extra. And you can log in using your but I have logged in using my Gmail, actually Google Play Games, as you can see right here. But you can use your Facebook to log in, or I actually don't know what it is, but you can also use that one as it seems. Right now I actually do not want to start playing again, but if I want to, that's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, this is where I'm gonna go. These are the ones that I cannot go right now. We're just gonna click here, and we're gonna be able to play, as I believe. I just entered to see what's there. There's some motivational messages you're receiving, and there is this stopping button right now. That's what I did. You can take pictures of the game that while you're playing at the same time, as you can see, or you can just quit the game or resume. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask me on the comments, and if you have any suggestions, also let me know in the comments. So I can be reading them and know what's up and what I can do better. So if you like this video, go hit that button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go hit that button too, but I know you already did it. So see you guys in my next video.